gentlemen. We've got the Fast and the Furious replica here. Looks pretty good in my opinion. I only watched that movie a couple of times, but I always remember the car. It's actually in, don't know if it's in every series, but yeah, certainly quite nice. There was a Thai man driving this last night, so yeah, so this would be his pride and joy. Yeah, we've got a couple of other vehicles here, but very, very nice. I'll just show a couple of the cars in one of the car parks here. Very interesting here. Obviously they've got hydraulics here. Yeah, it's really good to see old vehicles like this being used again. These two pickup trucks, really, really nice. That turquoise colour, it's like an Aquas Ford blue. Pretty certain. Yeah, we won't film over there. There's people having something to eat. But yeah, this one is a pretty common Chevy you see around, but nevertheless, it is fantastic to see. We won't worry too much about that Trans Am. This vehicle here, I've seen a couple of these before. I'm not exactly sure what it is. Is that a Cornet Dodge? Okay, pretty cool. Yeah, I've seen plenty of these ones. See a lot of the rap gangsters have these. And these ones as well, actually. It's definitely a gangster style car. Yeah, I was looking at this one last night as well, and I was quite intrigued. I have seen similar ones. It reminds me of a Corvette. Yeah, it has the badge, but yeah, very, very nice, I think, this Dodge. Yeah, I'm not a huge, not really schooled on the cars. I'm more into bikes, but I know a few things about cars. But this one here is nice. Yeah, I certainly wouldn't mind this myself. Used to watch this TV show, Counts Customs. Yeah, the work they used to do, marvellous. I think I did a short on this one last night in the dark. Looks more like a kit car, to be honest. Like somebody's bought the kit and made it themselves, but I don't know, it's quite nice though. Alright, we'll wrap that up there. Check out my other videos here at the Bike Festival, Burapa 2023.